Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to transfer money to your simple savings goals in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now, the first step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go ahead to Simple's website, or you could choose to log in on the mobile app and just log into your account using your email address and your password. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on the savings button that's in the top navigation bar for the website, but you can just find it on the mobile app and just click on savings. And then you're going to select transfer to savings from the drop down menu. Now, once you've chosen transfer to savings, you're going to choose a transfer amount. So just go ahead and input the transfer amounts, the amount that you want to transfer to your savings goals. And once you've entered that, go ahead and confirm the transfer by clicking on the transfer button. And that's going to be done for you by Simple. That's pretty much it on how to transfer money to your simple savings goals in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.